Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Samarpan and now today I will demonstrate to the working of a Java application which is a contact book application. So let me open the file first. Here it is. Let me open it through VS Code. First let me go through the code. So here I made a contact class with the following attributes like name, phone number, email, address, which all are string and are private data type. Then I made a constructor to initialize the following name, phone number, email, and address. Now I have made some method like get name, get phone number, get email, get address to print these things. Then I have made phone book class. Here it is list contact, which list to store all contacts. Then I have made a file path. All the contact I'll save this gonna make a contact.txt file here. Okay, then I made a constructor to initialize these things and the method to add contact. Then get contact by index. This will display in the contacts when I want to display all the contacts. Then search contact by name method, then by following number, phone number, then display all the information, and another method to delete the contact. And there are some methods to load the file and load the contact from the file. And now the main function. Here I am making a scanner using a scanner class to take input from the user. I am making a infinity loop so that while choosing these things, the code won't stop and run continuously till I exit the code. So I made some cases. First to add contact, second for contact by name, third for search contact by phone number, four to display all contacts, five to display contact by name, and six for exit. If I choose anything rather than these six, then this will display in default case. This will run a default case. So here are the cases. Enter name to search, enter phone number to search, enter name to delete. In the sixth, while I'll exit the code, this will print closing the application, and default is invalid option. Please choose the right. So now let me demonstrate the code. First run the code. Here is the output. And let's say we have to add a contact, so we will import to one. Now it's asking the name of the contact, so I'm input these and number. Let's say this is the number and email and address. Okay, now a contact is added successfully, and you can see a txt file is now created containing my informations like my name, my phone number, my email address, and the address. Now let's say I have to add another contact, so we'll again choose the number one for the, let's say now I have to let's say I'm inputting a doctor, and his number is 1234 and email doctor@gmail.com and address is India. Another contact added successfully. Let's say we'll have to display the contacts, so we will now choose option number 4 And here we can see the all the contacts. First one is samarpan and second one is doctor. Now let's say I have to add another one, so I'll enter one again, and now asking me the name, so I'm writing, let's say, Nishan. Okay. Phone number is 98765. Okay, and its email is nishant@gmail.com. Okay. UP, India. Okay. Another contact. Okay, now I have to search contact by name, so I'll choose the option number 2 and asking me the name, so I'm writing a and you can see contact found. Name is Samarpan, phone number is 203, email is this, and address is this. And let's say I choose the random number, let's say DJ, and you can see no contact found with that name. So now we will search contact by phone number, so we will enter 3 and number 1234. You can see contact found, name is doctor, phone number is 1234, email is this, address is this. So I'll now delete a contact, so I'll choose option number 5, enter name, will let's say and DJ, no contact found. Okay. I didn't put the wrong name, so 5 to delete a contact by name, let's say Nisha. Contact deleted successfully. The okay, let's say I have to see the remaining contacts, so I will put enter 4 and you can see the following remainings. Samarpan, doctor, these are the remaining contacts we have. Let's say if we enter rather than these, means these 6 options, so it will display, and here you can see it says invalid option, please choose the right option. So this was the final code. Thanks for watching. Now I am exiting the code using 6. Now it's close the application. So that was the code. Thanks for watching my video.